Right, so this door's been broken for a while, and it's time to replace it. So this is going to be my little guide on how to replace a balked garage door with a nice shiny new roller one. So first things first, we need to clear some space. Some of this stuff will move, some of it won't, but you'll see in a minute. Easy.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice. Cool. That way? Oh, that way?
Yeah.
Right, so we've got the door out and we've just got to remove the last few little bits up here. Try and find some screws and then we can take out the whole lot. Be aware this spring is floppy.
Whoa!
No. Okay, so we've kind of skipped over this bit because one, it's really hard to shoot against the really bright houses over there, and the garage door is going to be different for everybody. So all we've done is we put some wood around it to reinforce it, deal with the rotten bits at the bottom here, for example, and to try and true everything up even just a little bit, because everything's wonky, squinty, and not flat in any way. So at least now it's vaguely close. And yeah, I know I cut a bit of the joist away. I probably shouldn't have done, but it is supported onto the lintel, which is then supported all the way down to the floor. So there's at least that. And it's right at the front of the garage where there's no overhang, so there's only like another 6 inches of roof the other side of that, so the forces going through that particular piece of joist will be negligible. Okay, so next bit is to get the rails on, these two, and then get the garage door on top of the rails. So drilling these is our next priority, drilling and cutting. Okay, so we've got to trim the guide rails, and although the instructions say do it with the hacksaw, we're going to do it with a track saw because they sound the same, and it's going to be much more accurate and far easier to do. So we're going to have 3 holes in the middle and then one at either end. Next thing we need to do is to hole punch, so that when we drill, the drill bit doesn't slip all over the place. Stunning first hole. Didn't balls that up at all.
You can edit that.
Okay, so we're going to use a 10mm drill bit to allow us to put the screws all the way through so that they don't interfere with the shutter as it goes up and down. But we're only going to use the 10mm to go through the top layer, not the bottom layer, otherwise the screws will just go all the way through. Alright, so we're going to attach these loosely, just so that we can wiggle them around but they don't fall on our heads, because we don't have space in here to put the box on these and lift them up at the same time. So we are going to go for a rough and Right, when we lift this box up, this little tab here slots into the top of that rail there. But I'm going to have a heavy box in my hand, so I won't be able to film it. I'll inform you anyway. No, I can't get to that. Come. Yeah. Yeah, here. Okay, why are you up so high yet?
Because where we going?
Yeah, I know we're going there eventually, but we're going to walk up the ladder to do that. Right, rotate it towards us. Like that. And then get ready to walk up your ladder. Is your ladder close enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm in, so I'm just waiting.
You're in? Oh,
I'm in, yeah.
goodness. Okay, I'm in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give it a little jiggle to get it to go all the way down. Right, I'm fully engaged.
I'm not big.
Okay. There we go. In. Your head's going to be in the way for the next one, isn't it? Yeah? You want to sift the hammer? Do you want to sift the thing I'm going to hit? Yeah? You're going to put your head in the way? In a really helpful way? There we go.
You done that?
Not in the way at all, are you? This is going to go here. Down there. So if you like this sort of thing and you want to see me make and repair more random things, then please remember to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.